Artificial intelligence has already transformed the way we conduct scientific research. But what happens when AI starts predicting the next era of breakthrough science beyond nanotechnology? Could AI identify emerging fields before humans even recognize them? Will AI-driven models uncover scientific revolutions that seem unimaginable today? Nanotechnology has pushed the boundaries of materials science, medicine, electronics, and energy by allowing us to manipulate matter at the atomic and molecular levels. But as AI continues to analyze massive data sets, simulate experiments, and detect patterns invisible to the human mind, it may be able to forecast entirely new disciplines of science, ones that might surpass even the nanotechnology revolution. What might these fields look like? One likely candidate is quantum materials and computing, which go beyond classical physics to unlock entirely new forms of information processing. AI is already being used to design quantum algorithms and predict exotic quantum materials that could enable ultra-fast computing, unbreakable cryptography, and unprecedented energy efficiency. Could AI itself be the key to finally achieving practical quantum supremacy? Another frontier AI may predict is synthetic life and programmable biology. If we've mastered engineering on the nanoscale, what if the next step is engineering living systems from scratch? AI-driven genetic design is already accelerating breakthroughs in synthetic biology, self-replicating nanomachines, and programmable cells. Could AI predict the next leap where biological and technological systems merge into a new form of intelligence? What about the future of energy? AI could forecast self-sustaining fusion energy breakthroughs or uncover materials with properties that allow direct energy-to-matter conversion, completely replacing traditional power sources. Could AI unlock a technology that eliminates energy scarcity entirely? AI might also predict and design new physical laws, uncovering principles of the universe that humans have yet to recognize. Just as relativity and quantum mechanics redefined our understanding of reality, could AI-driven discovery reveal a deeper layer of physics, one that enables faster-than-light travel, room temperature superconductivity, or even new forms of matter? If AI starts predicting future discoveries with high accuracy, will humans trust these forecasts? What happens when an AI model suggests an entirely new technology, but we lack the immediate experimental means to verify it? Will scientists prioritize AI-predicted breakthroughs, or will skepticism slow down progress? Perhaps the biggest question is, how much of the future will AI define? Will humans continue to be the primary drivers of discovery, or will AI take over as the chief architect of scientific advancement? If AI predicts the post-nanotechnology era, will we still be the ones making the decisions, or will we simply be following the roadmap AI lays out for us? The limits of nanotechnology and the next scientific frontier. Nanotechnology has revolutionized materials science, medicine, and computing, but it faces physical and quantum limits at the atomic scale. As AI analyzes emerging research trends, it predicts that breakthroughs beyond nanotechnology will focus on quantum materials, programmable matter, and femtotechnology, engineering at the scale of femtometers, smaller than atoms. The integration of AI with nanoscience is already leading towards self-assembling nanomachines and programmable bio-nanostructures. Future advances will likely transition from nanotechnology to subatomic and molecular scale engineering, merging biology, quantum mechanics, and computation. AI-driven simulations suggest that programmable materials will be the next step after nanomaterials, allowing materials to change their properties on demand. This is like moving from assembling Lego blocks, nanotechnology, to programming individual atoms like pixels in a digital screen. The rise of quantum engineering and atomically precise manufacturing. While nanotechnology manipulates materials at the nanoscale, quantum engineering focuses on designing new states of matter and controlling quantum effects. AI models predict that advances in quantum computing and topological materials will lead to the development of atomically precise manufacturing, APM, where every atom is placed exactly where it is needed. This could allow for flawless materials with ultra-high strength, superconductivity, and new electronic properties. Such precision will reshape semiconductor technology, space exploration, and the energy sector. AI simulations show that self-assembled quantum dots and quantum wells could enable energy-efficient transistors beyond Moore's law. This is like switching from 3D printing molecules to programming atomic blueprints for new materials. AI designed molecular machines in synthetic biology. AI is accelerating research in synthetic biology, allowing for the design of new biomolecules, enzymes, and synthetic life forms with programmable functions. Future AI systems will optimize molecular machines that self-replicate, self-heal, and adapt to their environments. AI predicted synthetic biology advances may lead to fully programmable bio-nanobots that perform targeted medical treatments, clean environmental pollution, or enhance human cognition. These biomachines will bridge the gap between biotechnology and nano-engineered materials. Deep learning models have already designed new proteins and enzymes that do not exist in nature, demonstrating AI's ability to predict novel biological functions. This is like turning nature into a programmable software system where cells and molecules act as biological computers. The shift from classical chemistry to femtotechnology. While chemistry today focuses on chemical reactions at the molecular level, AI predicts a transition toward femtochemistry and femtechnology, which operate at the level of subatomic particles and femtosecond-scale reactions. This will allow control over nuclear interactions, precision catalysis, and even modifications of the fundamental structure of atoms. AI-driven research in this area could lead to synthetic elements with engineered properties and designer nuclear reactions for clean energy. AI-assisted high-energy physics simulations predict that engineered nuclear materials could provide energy without radioactive waste. This is like going from sculpting with clay, traditional chemistry, to rearranging protons and neutrons in atoms like pixels on a screen. AI-designed metamaterials and exotic states of matter. Metamaterials, structures engineered to manipulate electromagnetic, thermal, or acoustic waves, will evolve beyond nanotechnology into AI-designed exotic materials. AI predicts the rise of topological insulators, room temperature superconductors, and programmable photonic crystals that defy classical material properties. These materials will enable quantum communication networks, invisibility cloaks, and new energy harvesting methods. AI will optimize these structures by designing new lattice geometries and quantum interactions that do not exist in nature. AI-assisted material discovery has already led to the prediction of 2D superconductors and next-generation photonic devices. This is like writing the rules of physics from scratch by designing materials with unnatural properties. Human-machine symbiosis and neural interfaces. AI models predict that the next phase of human evolution will involve direct integration with computational systems, using brain-machine interfaces, neuromorphic AI, and bioelectronic enhancements. These advances will blur the line between biological intelligence and artificial intelligence, leading to a hybrid cognitive system. Future neural interfaces will allow humans to access cloud-based knowledge, enhance memory, and even share thoughts directly. Current AI-driven brain-machine interfaces like Neuralink demonstrate early steps toward AI-assisted human cognition. This is like upgrading the human brain with an infinite storage cloud and AI-powered processing units. AI predicts the shift from carbon-based to quantum computing civilization. AI models forecast that traditional silicon-based computing will be replaced by quantum, neuromorphic, and molecular computing architectures. The future of computation lies in photonic processors, quantum entanglement-based information transfer, and biocomputational systems. As computing shifts from transistor-based logic to quantum wave functions and brain-inspired architectures, AI will play a critical role in optimizing energy-efficient, high-speed computational platforms. AI-designed quantum algorithms have already shown exponential speedups for problems unsolvable by classical supercomputers. This is like moving from calculators to brains, and then from brains to networks of entangled quantum minds, the evolution of space-time engineering and gravity manipulation. Beyond nanotechnology, AI predicts breakthroughs in space-time engineering, gravity modification, and metric engineering. Future technologies may harness negative energy states, quantum vacuum fluctuations, and gravitational wave interactions to develop propellantless propulsion systems and space-time distortions. This could eventually lead to faster-than-light travel and artificial gravitational control. AI-assisted physics simulations suggest that exotic matter configurations could stabilize artificial wormholes for interstellar travel. This is like moving from chemical rockets to bending space itself as a form of propulsion. AI forecasts the shift from science to hyper-intelligence. At some point, AI itself may surpass human-driven scientific discovery, transitioning from a tool for research to an autonomous agent of knowledge creation. Future AI systems could autonomously hypothesize, test, and refine scientific theories faster than human scientists, leading to a self-evolving knowledge system. This era, sometimes called the technological singularity, would mark the transition from human-driven science to AI-powered scientific evolution. AI-driven simulations in drug discovery and material science have already outperformed human intuition in predicting new molecules. This is like handing over the keys of discovery to an ever-learning intelligence that never forgets and never stops innovating.